Remove a T30 Torx from these 3 locations here. On the passenger side of the car, the plastic is in place. I have a T30 here, and then behind the plastic I have a T30 at the top. Now I think there's a nut missing from both sides, which you'd be able to get to from the wheel arch. I already have the lights out for a different reason, so you can see exactly where it would be. Right, so there are a lot of fixings missing from this car, so normally at this point you would need to remove more fixings from underneath, which I imagine would be either T30 or T25 Torx screws that would be attached to the undercar tray, which is missing on this car. So at this point on this car, the bumper is loose. Remove the connector for the horn on the driver's side. Remove the connector for the passenger side horn and the rest of the wiring harness lower down. And now the bumper's completely detached from the car.